Okay, this is the set with RE verbs. Attendre. That means to wait for. Really I should have put for on there. The word for for in French is pour. You don't attendre pour le bus. You just attends le bus. Défendre. Remember the accent and up and away says A, so it's not défendre. We defend, but in French you défendre. Descendre means to go down. Entendre means to hear. Watch the difference between attendre and entendre. That first vowel has to be nasal very clearly, otherwise you're going to get them confused. Some other ones. Fondre is to melt. Perdre, I do expect you to know, is to lose. Prétendre is what it looks like, to pretend. Rendre is to return. That's not returning to a house. You can't return with rendre. You return a book, you return a movie, you return an outfit that you borrowed. Okay, you have to return something. If you want to return to school, then it's retourner, totally different verb. Répondre is to respond. Again, accent on that one. And you have to répondre à. You respond to something. I respond to the teacher. I respond to the question. Vendre is to sell. And then the rest is just going to be the verb conjugation. So I'm going to leave it right there.